Hey YouTube, it's your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher, and I am back with another swimsuit try-on haul. Today, I am going to look at some swimsuits for an upcoming vacation, and all of these swimsuits are from the clearance rack. If you have a problem with plus-size bodies, this is probably not the video or channel for you. We love to celebrate everybody at every stage, whether you are on a weight loss journey or not. So if you are coming with the positive energy, stay tuned and watch the full video. All right, Glam Crew, let's go ahead and get into this video. For reference, so when you're shopping, if you're online or if you just want to know what size to look for, if you want to like match your body type with my body type, or if you are shopping for someone, I am 5'8" in height and I am 235 pounds. So those are my measurements, and my chest area is a 38 triple D, and I feel like I have gone down just a little bit, but not too much. So most of these swimsuits are a large. I believe all of them are a large or a size 12, which comes out to be a size large US. Now, I am shopping at Macys. Macys can be a bit expensive, but if you are shopping at the right time, you can catch some really good sales and catch some nice items, designer brands, at a really affordable price. So you can be bougie and still be on a budget. All right, so let's get into the details of this first swimsuit. It is a one piece. It has like a nice ribbedness design, textured like material. It's pretty soft. It does have removable cups in it, and it's really cute. Nothing too extra. It is a little cheeky. I would wear this swimsuit as a nice family swimsuit, maybe with a cute cover up. Now let's get into this lime green swimsuit. I was a bit skeptical at first because I'm not really into the bright colors, but because I am shopping for vacation, why not try something new? I might like it. And I actually kind of do like this. So drop in the comments and let me know what you think about this lime green swimsuit. It is from Michael Kors and it was only $25. Now this is a size 12, which again I believe is a large, and it fits just right. Now if you want to wear your clothes or your swimsuit a little bit more looser, let's say on your vacation you're going to be zip lining, ATV riding, or something a little bit more with movement, I would get a bigger size just so your swimsuit is not going to be cutting you in those more intimate areas. But as you can see, I'm moving around. It's not cutting me. It has this cute cutout design on the side, and the back has full coverage. So this is a cute mommy swimsuit or a family swimsuit with a little cutout design. It's not boring. And it also has a little attachments where you can put a strap to give you more coverage to hold up your girls. If you have a big chest, this would be the perfect swimsuit for you to give you that extra support and not hurt your neck. Now, this swimsuit also came in pink, and the pink to me looked a bit dull. And I just figured by the time I wash it, it's going to look ashy, and I'm not about to wear no dull, ashy swimsuit. Not on vacation. No, definitely not. So, yeah, and this pink swimsuit was actually the same price as the green at $24 and some change. The exact same swimsuit. and it had the strap in it, like a little package attached to put the strap on for it. Now this green swimsuit, I think the strap for it got lost somewhere because I did not feel, and I do not see while I'm watching the video, the little package for the strap. So I guess I'm just a little confused what happened to the strap. Now that I'm thinking about it, I need to go check because I did buy this swimsuit, and if it doesn't have a green strap, I just might have to take it back because I need my strap. Yeah, in case I want to have that extra little support. Let's try on the next swimsuit. I love this little leopard print design. I don't know if we want to call this leopard print or cheetah print. Let me know in the comments, is this leopard print or is it cheetah print? Now I am struggling trying to tie this in the back, so if you don't have anyone to tie it, you might struggle a little bit. I tried to bring it around the front and see if I could tie it in the front, and it just wasn't long enough. Yeah. And I feel like it would fit better if it was tied tight in the back, just to give me that good support in the back. The neck area feels really good. It's a strap on the shoulders, and the shoulders are adjustable. So if you need it to be tighter to lift up the chest area, you can go ahead and adjust it right there. That is a nice feature. And then it has a little cutout design in the front. That is really cute, really unique, just to give it a little razzle and a little dazzle. Y'all know we like the little razzle, we like the little dazzle. And one thing I like about these swimsuits at Macys, everyone is not going to have this. You know, everyone is shopping on Temu. Everyone is shopping on Shein, Amazon, Fashion Nova. But I'm trying to give those places a little bit of a break. And this swimsuit was only $19. It is by Bar 3. It does have light padding in it, and I can pull it out to give it more of a full coverage. I don't know why swimsuits are just riding up in there. I think it's because my undergarments are just, I don't know. But after I pull it out, it is nice and fully covered in the back. So this swimsuit can definitely be family friendly and not giving grandma vibes. I can bend over, I can move. Nothing is going to spill out. Nothing is doing too much. I will feel comfortable wearing this around my family, wearing this with my child, and having fun in the sun. This is definitely a cute, unique swimsuit. So let's take a look at some of the other swimsuits that I have picked up and see what they looking like. This swimsuit right here is like this little pink and black oranges. Yeah, I don't know what to really call this. It looks like pink fireworks a little bit. But yeah, it's from DKNY, and this swimsuit as well was $19. But let me tell you, if you have a big chest, you are not going to have much support. It's going to be pulling on your neck. Let's try it on, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So your back is going to be out just a little. Let your back rolls hang out. We do not care what anyone has to say. If you are happy, then I'm happy. You're not breaking any laws. You are enjoying your life, so enjoy it. You got a little bit of support right there, but not too much. Again, you can bend, you can shake. Nothing is being exposed. So go enjoy your vacation, sit by the pool, and enjoy yourself. If people want to look, laugh, stare, whatever, let them. Be happy in your skin. That is all that matters. We are all different. If we all look the same, it would be nothing to look at. So I'm happy that we all look different so we can have, something unique to look at. I need something to look at. I don't want to look at the same thing over and over. All right? Just like I want to look at different swimsuits when I'm out on vacation, give a little bit of razzle dazzle on my vacations. It is stretchy and it has this little bit of ruching design on the side. So if you have a bit of a mommy tummy, you are going to be covered. Your mommy tummy is not going to be stopping any show because this ruching has like a slimming effect. Something about it, it just slims you. This little swimsuit, this burnt orange with the stripes, is a size medium and it had the nerve to be like $79. I do not remember the brand, but I did not see a clearance sticker on it, so I didn't even bother trying to squeeze in it. I didn't see anything unique with that swimsuit, and it kind of just looked too small. I just got happy that they had a whole rack of swimsuits and they were all under $30. So, yeah, I just picked up everything and tried it on. Now, this cover up, I believe it said a medium or it might have been a large, but it was not working how I needed it to work. I like my cover ups to be a little bit bigger than I need it to be so that I can move and it can just cover me up, especially if I'm like out on a boat and the wind is winding and I'm getting chilly. The cover up is going to kind of keep me warm and protect me from getting splashed with the salty ocean water. So yeah, this cover up was not it, but it's cute. Yeah, the colors are really cute. And this one was only $14. But literally, y'all, because this store is closing and this is all they had on the rack, they did not have any other sizes. So yeah, I just got to go back and I just got to be sad because I really liked it. That design with a cute white swimsuit. I have a lot of white swimsuits. That would have been awesome. And then I picked up this cute Ralph Lauren swimsuit. It was $30, you guys. $30. Yes. I know this swimsuit would have killed it, but it was an extra large and it already felt and looked heavy and bulky. No, I think this wouldn't have fit me. I thought it would be a little too big because the swimsuits that I'm already trying on are large and they are fitting me just right. And I'm looking for something to fit me a little bit more snug just to give a little bit of a more sexier look because some of my vacations that I have coming up, I'm about to be laid out, looking good on the beach. All right, I'm going to some nice places and I'll need some swimsuits that's going to be tight and right. I am still in the process of losing weight and I want my swimsuits to be able to fit me even as I lose a few more pounds. Overall, I am satisfied with the quality of these suits. They have unique designs and they are affordable. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.